Hi folks, the song that I'm going to play today is from that great film Mary Poppins. Now I saw Mary Poppins many years ago when I was a child, and this is one of my favourite songs from it. It's a little bit on the sad side, but all the same I do like the tune and it's very easy to play. It's Feed the Birds and it's just done with single strums. Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes. In her own special way to the people she calls, come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare, all it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. And though you can't see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Well, that's it for today folks, and I hope you enjoyed that song from Mary Poppins. And we'll see you soon. Bye for now.